Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the recent past. That's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. So let's get some levels established here. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually a little house cleaning. Just get rid of that line. Sure, it pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter and lines all over the place. So I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. And on that note, by doing that, I don't want to have lines all over the place. But first update comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that watched the past videos of mine, hopefully you remember me talking about $1.72 as resistance. But now that the price is above it, this would be one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, when you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $1.85. However, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.85, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. However, if the bulls can somehow manage to stay up above that level, like I said, that would be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture perspective and really kind of just simplifying things. Now, as far as resistance levels are concerned, I don't want to say they don't matter because they do. But really, at the end of the day, as long as the price stays above this purple line, again, that 50-period simple moving average as it moves itself upwards, then everything else is going to take care of itself. I mean, when you stop and think about it, if the price keeps on putting in higher lows, then the chart literally runs out of room, and the price has to put in new highs, aka break levels of resistance. So as long as the price continues to build those higher lows, aka stay above that purple line, then everything else will take care of itself. So focus on healthy consolidations, building higher lows, and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.